everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Leanna and this is my mom.
Hi everybody.
And if you watched our unboxing video, my mom won Arna's giveaway. We won lots of amazing goodies, and my friend, our family friend Kathy, suggested that I bring my mom on to show the goodies that she kept, because I've already shown the goodies that I kept. So what did you have?
Okay, I think we'll start with primer.
Because that's what you start with on the face.
Yes, that's what I'm going for. So we got the Tatcha, the Silk Canvas primer.
This is the mini size.
Yeah. I'm wearing it. I find that it gives just a nice little sheen to the skin, kind of a highlight effect. And I was reading about it online. You can actually use this on your face, your eyes, and your lips, which I haven't heard
really
that.
cool.
That's really cool.
Because usually when I've seen people use this, and a lot of people really love this primer, I've only seen them use it sort of in the center of their face. I haven't seen them use it under the eyes or the lips, so I didn't know that you could use it like that.
I did use it once on the lips so far. I don't even remember if it helped or not, but I've definitely been using it on my eyes, and then mainly like around there for sure, and a little bit around the mouth, and maybe try and disguise some wrinkles.
Yeah, do you think it helps with fine lines?
I don't know. I really don't know.
Because I think it's supposed to help fill in pores and lines.
Yeah.
That's probably why they say you can put it on your lips, because people get fine lines in their lips as they age.
Yeah. So I like it. That's the bottom line. And then I guess the next thing would be a Rimmel blush, Maxi blush in Exposed 006. Again, just a really beautiful sort of a warm pink, I guess.
It's not that off in color to the one I kept, which is the Hourglass blush. She let me keep the expensive one.
Yeah.
They're very similar, I think. This one is shimmery.
I think the darker color there is probably very close to that.
Yeah, so this one has a bit of shimmer, but this one looks matte.
Which is why I didn't keep it. I figured you needed to glow more than I did. I don't think that was a nice thing to say.
But I need to glow because I'm ugly.
I didn't say that. Okay, I take that back. You can edit that, right? Okay, the next thing is an Exo Beauty highlighter, Radiant Glow in Aurora.
And again, very similar to the one I kept, which is the Mecca Max Skin Halo in Diamond Dust. You can probably see how similar they are. So really, whoever kept which product didn't really matter.
Yeah. So, I don't know. You can see that, probably not.
Probably not. They're both very subtle highlighters. They're very pretty.
Yeah. Oh, and getting back to that blush, I think that's a shade anybody could wear, really.
I think so.
Like it's really nice. And then this I haven't used. I've tried it out. Actually, I did use it around my temples today. This is a little, I need to put this in a palette. A little bronzer. This is the Australis powder bronzer in Cleopatra. And I am a queen, so. And this is beautiful, like.
Yeah, so it's a shimmery bronzer.
Yeah.
And it's very pigmented, but the way my mom has blended it out, it's definitely very wearable on the skin. Like it goes on, and you could probably wear it as a really pigmented eyeshadow.
Yeah.
But
you
then
can see that.
Yeah, but then blend it out.
It just,
all over
I
the
think
skin.
in the summertime would give just a beautiful glow.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, then we will go to eyeshadow, I guess.
Yeah.
So because Leanna kept some eyeshadow, right?
Yeah, I kept, it's in here.
Oh, right.
So I kept the Australis Metallics. I called it Metallics the other day. I was like, what is this? Metallics eyeshadow. And this is in Guns and Rose Petals, so it's a really cool cream sort of eyeshadow.
Yeah. And this is a Rimmel magnifies all about the base. So I kept this one because I can wear warm colors more than Leanna. Like, I'm at a point in my life I used to wear nothing but warm, and now that I have the lovely natural locks here, I find I can wear cool colors as well. So, but I still wear a lot of warm. So I actually have this on my eyes today, so maybe I can show you a close-up of my eyes later.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I like this as a transition color.
Yeah,
so.
And I'll show you something I have in a palette that looks really similar. I have this shadow up here that I use a lot in the crease. And that looks pretty similar.
Similar. So very nice. And then we have in Essence my must-haves with 4 different colors in.
And we were going to split this. You can pop them out, but when you pop them out, they're still in little pots. And I think if I put some heat underneath, they might pop out, but I'm also kind of scared that I might break them in the process. So I figured we'll just keep them all in one place. And I let my mom have them. She won the giveaway after all. So.
There you go. So I find these are really pigmented. Really pigmented. So what I did is I put the first color there, which is kind of a really pale goldy color, on my lid today. And I put just a bit of this under the brow.
So
but I've used those two as well. I didn't use it wet.
No, I said this is a white.
White. It's almost got a hint of green in it.
Oh, really?
Mint green, don't you think?
Maybe.
I find. And then a real pale peachy color and a pale pinky mauve. Yeah. So that's really nice.
I'm sure they all have names on the bottom.
They do.
Yeah.
So then we will go to... Oh, I kept a... What is this? Benefit Roller Lash, a little mini size.
Yeah.
And this is... I thought this was great to put in my travel bag, my going away kit.
Mini mascaras still last a really long time.
Yeah. I put 2 coats on today. The first time I used this, I just put one and I found it didn't do much, but then I put 2 coats on and it really, it's very nice, no clumps, and it kind of curls your lashes nicely.
That's good.
Yeah. And then we have lipsticks. So this one is a little elf. I think it was just called Natural. Yeah.
So this is a matte lipstick color, and it's sort of a nude shade that's, it's not too cool, it's not too warm.
Yeah.
It's got a hint of peach in there.
I really loved putting this on the lips. It made it so easy to apply lipstick.
Lip pencils are some of my favorites to apply because of that reason. It's just like, you can get right up in the corners.
Stila, you have this.
Yes,
as well.
I have this. This is mine here. I also have the shimmery version. And this is in the shade Beso, so it's a matte red. They smell like vanilla too. It's a very bright red. This is Arna's favorite red.
I don't wear red a lot, but I figured I'd give it a try. And then we had a couple of little Smashbox. Well, this was a set of 5.
5 full size, and then a little
plus
Instamatte.
So,
oops,
I'll pick that up while you swatch that.
So this is in Pretty Social. These are all really glossy ones.
I love the formula of these. It's just so nourishing.
That's a pale pink there.
This I'm wearing right now, and it's called Honey.
This is a Mama shade.
That's my shade. I love it.
That's a brownie, sort of caramel nude.
Really like that.
Yeah. That's why as soon as you saw it, you went, oh, that's mine.
That's right. Yes, I did. And I think that leaves us with the Terry What's it called? Balm de Rose Lip Care. So very, very nice. Smells like rose, quite heavily. So it was a little bit difficult the first night to get used to it. Like I was going, am I going to have to take this off because the scent is pretty intense. But actually since then I've been fine with it. So I really like it. It's very good. I have that Laneige balm. My lips are so bad in the winter time.
And the Bite lip mask.
And the Bite lip mask. I said I donated to my son who had cracked lips.
Yeah.
And you had given it to me for Christmas, but I'm such a good mom that I gave it to my son. But I'm going to get a Bite one next winter. Yeah. Although I did buy their the balm in the tube, which I love. So yeah, anything lips, I have to have it. And that's it. Oh no, we got the Instamat.
Yeah, the Instamat. I haven't tried this yet. You have.
Yeah. So I can put it on now because I haven't.
Okay.
I put it on earlier. Yeah. So I just take a little bit and it's back.
Wow, it's that quick. That's so cool.
That's it. Tiny little dab and you have a matte lipstick.
Wow, I thought it would take longer.
Try it. Try it if you haven't tried it.
I don't know if it'll work on mine. I'm wearing lip
gloss.
gloss.
Yeah, it says it doesn't work for gloss.
I mean, I can try it anyway and see if it'll do anything. I think it is doing a little bit, actually.
Yeah, it is.
On the bottom lip.
It's like magic.
I put it on the bottom lip. And
shiny 1 minute.
This is a tinted lip balm with a little bit of lip gloss on top. So you can see the difference between the bottom and the top lip. That's really cool. Even though it says it doesn't work on this type of lip color, it did.
It did. So all really, really nice stuff. And
yeah.
I just have to applaud Arna for the money she's raising for the kids in New Zealand. And, you know, way to go. And we'll support it again next year. And I hope everybody else does too.
Yeah. So thanks for watching the video. I'm going to do a close-up of my mom's makeup so you can have a look. And can you close your eyes and that way people can see. So she's wearing several of the products today and they all look really great on her. Thanks for watching. I'm sure you'll see my mom again at some point if she wants to.
Only if my fans ask.
Yeah. So I post Mondays and Fridays in the afternoons Eastern time. I'll see you very soon.
Bye everybody.